The Supreme Court wrestled with major questions about homelessness today in a case that's considered the most significant on the issue in decades.
Law and share our live stream. There are over 500 people here today. And we want to make sure that people all across
the case specifically deals with camping bans on public property in states in the West, and whether banning people from camping outside when they have no place else to stay amounts to cruel and unusual punishment. The case comes from the Oregon city of Grants Pass, which passed ordinances setting fines of nearly $300 for camping in its parks. The city says it needs ordinances like this in order to manage homeless encampments in town. And they've been joined by a bipartisan cross-section of other state and local officials in the West, especially in California, which is home to nearly a third of the country's homeless population. Courts in the West have found that banning people from camping in public spaces, if shelter space is lacking, amounts to cruel and unusual punishment. But cities say those findings have made it hard for them to deal with growing encampments with homelessness on the rise in the U.S. Advocates for people who are experiencing homelessness, on the other hand, say that these are important legal protections, and if they go away, it could make it easier for officials to deal with homelessness through fines and arrests rather than helping people find affordable housing.
Asking the question, does our Constitution protect everybody, including people who are forced to live outside?
The arguments really showcase the stark terms of this debate, and the Supreme Court is expected to have a decision by the end of June.